Okay, so about a month ago, I made a video on how to set up fingerprints on laptop HP EliteBook A4 to G5. And interestingly, a subscriber commented this: "Can you please tell me how we use screen recorder on this device?" Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record and how to take screenshots using software that is already built in your laptop for free. So without much talking, let's get into the video. If you want to take a screenshot or a screen recording, all you have to do is go to the start, you search for the app Snipping Tool. It's built in, so you don't need to download any third-party software. So you just click on this and it's going to launch the app. So when the app has been launched, you're going to be greeted with this window here. Let me just maximize this so that I explain. Now you can click on new, but before you do that, you have the option to click here to take a screenshot or click here to take a screen recording. So under screenshots, there are more options here, like the rectangular form where you can simply click on new and you take a rectangular selection of your screen to take a screenshot. As you can see, it has taken just that portion I selected. You can also choose the window option. For example, let me just restore this window down here. When I click on new, I can basically just select just this window to take a screenshot of it. And here you can also change it if you selected something else. For example, I can change it to full screen or freeform. Freeform is the most interesting because you can always circle what you want to take a screenshot of and it's still going to pop it up the way it's selected. And take note that screenshots are automatically saved to your screenshots folder. I set this up in my settings, so you want to do that, you can click on change to change this. When you're done, you can always apply edits like use the paint or the ballpoint pen, use the highlighter, the eraser. You can add shapes and you can also crop your images that it validates. You can also do interesting things like select text if there's any text there. For example, I'm just going to take, let's say, a rectangular form, click on new, and I'll take a screenshot of this portion of the screen. And I'm done. I'll just maximize this window, click on extract text, and it's going to scan through the screenshot and identify where text is. And I basically can select the text, right click, and copy. Right? So it's pretty much handy. When you're done, you can always come here and click on save as, then you save your screenshot. Now for screen recording, always come to this second camera icon. I'm going to click on new. Now here I can simply just select a portion of the screen I want to screen record, and before you click on start, there are actually two buttons you have to choose from. Now we have the first option to unmute the microphone. The microphone of the computer is currently mute, which means any recording I take from now will not record audio. But I can turn this off to record audio. And this one is to mute the speakers. Any sound coming from the speakers of the laptop will not be recorded. If I turn this off, it will be recorded. So I can simply just click on start and it's going to count down and start recording. Now, one cool thing is that in the middle of recording, you can always pause it, do a thing or two, then you come back to it and you resume. Now, you can also mute the mic in the process of recording. Let's say you wanted to do something or say something to somebody, you can mute the mic, talk, then you unmute it. You can mute the speakers, talk, do whatever you want to do, then you unmute it. Now you can also discard your recording by clicking on this pin icon here, and when you're done recording, you just click on the stop recording button and it's going to bring you back into the snipping tool part here. Now you basically have your video that has been recorded. A problem with recording audio so I had a problem with my audio. Let me just play and see. Now one cool thing is that in the middle of recording you can always, so that's cool and it's pretty much okay. And so I can just click on the save as here to save the file. I give it a name like recording or YouTube video. Please subscribe and I'll just click on save. So that's basically how you can take a screenshot and do screen recording on your laptop using free software that is already built in. You don't need to download anything. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and also comment your thoughts down in the comment section. If you want more videos like this, you're welcome to leave them down there as well. Also subscribe to this channel, and as always, it's T for Tech. Peace.